So I just published a blog post on Donald Trump's company, Trump Media and Technology Group, going public today. They went public via special purpose acquisition company by merging with blank check company, Digital World Acquisition Corp. And when you go public that way, it's another way to go public besides, having an IPO, which is initial public offering, meaning that there's a lot less they have to actually disclose when they start going public. Now, with that in mind, I encourage all of y'all to read the actual blog post that I made because it goes into a lot more detail than this video will, but I also wanted to make a video on the topic as well. So here are some points that I want to talk about. So first, the company doesn't really have much revenue. In fact, in the first 9 months of 2023, True Social, which is their social media site and is making most of their actual revenue, only generated $3.4 million. It seems like the actual social media site is having a hard time actually finding advertisers because the social media site itself has around 2 million people using it, which is obviously a lot less than a lot of social media sites, but they're having trouble actually finding advertisers to market to those people. Now, with their lack of revenue, the company is trading at an almost $8 billion valuation, and the company is not profitable at all. So, with that in mind, when you look at the actual revenue, the company is trading at an insanely high premium. And I think a big reason for that is that the stock is basically trading more on Trump's name than the actual business behind it. It seems like people, that like Trump are actually buying the company and not really, the fundamentals itself does not really agree with the actual valuation. Now, that being said, I definitely wouldn't buy the stock right now because I think it's insanely overvalued, but I also wouldn't short the stock either. And that is because there's a quote that basically says, the market can be irrational a lot longer than I can be solvent. And with that in mind, I would not want to short this actual company. So here, these are just like a few thoughts on the actual business itself. I encourage all of y'all to read the actual blog post that I made, get in link in description or in bio, because I go into a lot more detail on it. But I want to give these thoughts as well. If you like the video, make sure to actually like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.